So today we are going to discuss mental drill chapter 2. So already we have discussed chapter 1. So today we will discuss chapter 2, additions and subtractions. So here the first bit, page number 14, additions. So till now we have done 2 digit, 4 digit, 5 digits. So here we are doing 7 digits additions. So see the first A bit, one I will explain, remaining we have to do the homework. So see here. First, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So here starts from ones place. 5 plus 2 is 7. So here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 5 plus 2 is 7. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 0 here and 1 is here. Carry over. 8 plus 1 is 9. Then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 5 here, 1 here. Then 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 5, 6. Then here 1, 7 plus 8. 7, 7, 14, 15. So 1 here. Then 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. So our answer is 9516507. So how much? 95 lakhs 16,507 is the answer. So same like that, in the same way we have to do this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now second bit, D bit. What is the question? Add the following and write the sum in words. So first you have to add the numbers and then this number you have to write in the words. So here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So how will you write in words? 95 lakhs 16,000 500 7. So what is the second bit? First you have to add two numbers and then the answer will be you have to write in words. So here 95 lakh 16,507. This will be the answer. So same like that 2, 3, 4 you have to write. Next, C bit. C bit is word problems. So word problems are, one I will explain, remaining you have to do it. So all fifth one I am explaining. A factory, listen, a factory produces 38 lakh 1,234 ordinary bulbs. So how many bulbs? 38 lakhs 1,234 ordinary bulbs it produces. And fluorescent bulbs are 38 lakh 1,234 fluorescent bulbs. So how many did it produce altogether? So altogether means add, we have to add it. So this one ordinary bulbs and this one is fluorescent bulbs. So totally how much? So we have to add it. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So here the same way 8, 3 plus 3 is 6, 2 plus 2 is 4, 1 plus 1 is 2, 0, 8, 8, 16, 3, 3, 6, 7. So how much? 72, 76. 76 lakhs 2,468 bulbs totally they produce. Okay. So same like that, remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 you have to do as it. Same. Next, D bit. What is the D bit? Find the difference. Difference means subtraction. So here also say 5, 2, 6, 8. One I am explaining. Remaining you have to do it as a homework. 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 4, 8. So here just D bit is find the difference. So here from 1 we cannot cancel. So from take borrow from here it's 11. So 11 minus 8 is 9, 10, 11. It's 3. Then from 2 we cannot cancel. So take borrow from here it's 12. 12 4 is 8. Then 8 minus 1 is 7. 8 minus 3 is 5. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. And 5 minus 3 is 2. So what will be our answer? 21 lakhs. 25,783. So this is our debit. Just you have to subtract it and you have to find the answer. So how will you subtract? From smaller numbers we cannot subtract it. So for bigger number you have to carry from the next number. Next place you have to carry. And like that you have to find the subtraction. And E-bit, what is the E-bit? Subtract the following and write the difference in words. So here first we have to subtract it and write this difference in words. How will you write? The answer is 21 lakhs 25,000 700 783. So I hope you understood. First you have to subtract the number and then you have to write in number name. So 21 lakhs 25,783 is the answer. Clear? Now, same in the addition, we have done one word problem. Same like that here also we will do one word problem. Remaining we have to do the homework. Take out page 16. First one I will do. The sum of two numbers. So sum of two numbers are how much? 15,37,986 and one number is 5,92,315. So two numbers are, the sum of two numbers are this one number is this. So what will be the other? So first we have to subtract it, then we will get the other number. So how will you subtract? 6 minus 5 is 1, 8 minus 1 is 7, 9 minus 3 is 6, 7 minus 2 is 5, 3. From 3 we cannot cancel, so take borrow from here. So it will be 13. So 13 minus 9 is 10, 11, 12, 13. So it's 4, then 14. 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5 is 9. So how much our answer is? 9,45,671. So clear? So if the sum of two numbers is this, one number will be this and other number will be this one. So 9,45,671 will be our answer. So remaining you have to do the homework same like this. Just read the question, understand it, and what you have to do, find out, and you have to do the subtraction. Then I hope you all understood and you are very clever students. You can do the homework. Next, G-bit. What is the G-bit? Create your own word problems and solve them. So, your question is given, this number is given. You have to find out the word problem. So, create word problem. For this question, you have to create word problem and solve them. Okay? So, here, just think, in a garden, just make a word problem of your choice. Not only this one, any one you can write. In a garden, there are, I am taking this type of word question. There are 2 cherry trees. Cherry trees. One tree has 1,36,251 cherries. Another tree has, so like this you have to make use of these numbers. Another tree has 9,81,520 cherries what they given the symbol addition. So what is the total number of cherries in both the trees? Like this we have to find out the question. You have to prepare by yourself. So here some question is given, numbers are given and addition symbol. So that's why we are writing what is the total number of cherries in both the trees. So by this question, this is the answer you can. Okay, now you have understood. Same like this. Do the page 17 second one also. You have to create your own word problem and you have to write it. Okay. Next, H bit also I will explain one, the missing number. Remaining you have to do the homework. Here, H bit. So, what will be the number? 9, 8, dash, 1, 4, 2, 6, 1, 0, 4, dash, 3, 1, dash. So, here missing numbers are there, just you have to write that one. 5, 4, 7, dash, 8. So, only one I will explain, remaining you have to do the homework. So, here see. So, symbol is addition. So here 6 is there, dash 8. So what you have to do? This 2 you have to subtract it. So 8, if middle dash is there, so how will you find the middle number? This 2 you have to subtract it. So it's 2. So 6 plus 2 is 8. Means 8 minus 6 is 2. Otherwise, how much we should add to get 8? It's 2. So 2 plus 1, it's 3. 4 plus 3 is 7, already is there. Then, if middle is there, what do you have to do? These two you have to subtract. So, 4 minus 1 is 3. Then, these two also you have to subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1. Then, 8 minus 0 is 8. Like this. So, let's see. 6 plus 2 is 8. 2 plus 3, 7. 3 plus 1, 4. 1 plus 4, 5. 8 plus 0 and 9 plus 1, 10. So, like that you have to find out the missing numbers. I hope you all understood. Same like that, remaining things you have to do the homework. Page number 17, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the same process, you have to find out. In the middle, if it's there, you have to subtract these two. If upper also, these two you have to subtract it. And normally, this added and you have to write the answer. Clear? I hope you all understood. Practice it well. Repeatedly practice it. Thank you.